Hello, dear lovely students. Me again, Mr. Ahmed at the private Zhyar in the basic school. Today we have a new subject in chapter 3, and it is section 3, slope, intercept, form. So when you read the subject, the main topic, so it comes to your mind that we have slope and also we have intercept. Okay, we have slope and intercept. It means in the equation y is equal mx plus b. This is the main equation. This is the formula. We have a slope, it means m. And also we have an intercept, it is b. Then we will explain it in detail. But before that, we have to know something that is y-intercept, and also you have x-intercept. So when you have an equation, you want to find y-intercept. It means x is equal 0. It's a rule. Please do not forget it. If you want to, let's say, find x-intercept, y is equal 0. Again, y-intercept, x is equal 0. X-intercept, y is equal to 0. Then what does it mean? We are going to explain it in an example. Example 1, find x-intercept and y-intercept of the line x plus y is equal 3. So we have this line. We are going to find x-intercept and y-intercept. The first one, x-intercept. For the x-intercept, I told you y is equal 0. It means x plus y is equal 3, okay, because you want to find x-intercept. That's why in the place of y, write 0. In the place of y, write 0 is equal to 3. X plus 0 is equal 3, then x is equal 3. That's why the x-intercept is 3 and 0. 3 and 0. Because the value of x is 3 and the y was 0. That's why it's going to be x-intercept. For the y-intercept, x plus y, okay, x is equal 0. Why? Because we want to find y-intercept. And instead of x, write down 0 plus y is equal, sorry, it is 3, not 0. It is 3. So is equal 3. So 0 plus y is equal 3, then y is equal 3. So the y-intercept is x is equal 0 and y is equal 3. That's why this is the y-intercept. Another example, find x-intercept and y-intercept of the line 3x plus 4y is equal 12. So for the x-intercept, 3x plus 4y is equal 12. Because we want to find x-intercept, then y is equal 0. Where is y? This is y. Y is equal 0. It means 3x plus 4 times 0 is equal 12. Okay? 4 times 0 is going to be 0, so only 3x is equal 12 left. To find the value of x, divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, so x is equal 4. X is equal 4 and y was 0. This is x-intercept. But for y-intercept, 3x plus 4y is equal 12. In y-intercept, x is equal 0. It means 3 times 0. That's why we are going to write 3 times 0 plus 4y is equal 12. 3 times 0 is equal 0. We don't write it, so 4y is equal 12. 4y is equal 12. divide both sides by 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4. So y is equal 3. X was 0, y is 3. So this is y-intercept. But there is a really important note. Please do not mix the place of x and y. Here I wrote 0 and y. You know that the first place is for x and the second place is for y. Be careful. If you write 3, 0 here, okay, it's not y-intercept. It's x-intercept. So you have to be careful. Write x in its place, x is 0. In the final result, you got y is equal to 3. So write in the second place, that's why the y-intercept is going to be 0, 3. You cannot write 3, 0 because it is x-intercept. The value of x is given. Let's say it's not 0. So it's not correct. So then we have the general form of y, let's say, slope-intercept. We explain that slope-intercept means we have a slope and also we have intercept. The m is slope and the b we called y-intercept. We called y-intercept. Always the coefficient of x is the slope. For example, I'm going to write y is equal 3x plus 4. Okay? If you compare to the general form, okay, x has the coefficient 3, so this is m. Slope m is equal 3. What about the y-intercept? The y-intercept is 4. It is b. And there's a point you have to know that sometimes students are going to make a mistake, and it is when you write y is equal 3 minus 4x. Then without thinking, the students are going to say the slope is equal 3 and the y-intercept is equal, let's say, 4. It's not correct. You have to be careful. I told you the coefficient of x. Which one's x? That one's x. What is the coefficient of x here? It is negative 4. M is equal negative 4. And the y-intercept is b. Okay? So it's not about changing the places. Okay? When they say x is here or let's say y-intercept there, what important is what is the coefficient of x. This is going to be the slope of the line. Okay. So here we have some examples. It says write each equation in slope-intercept form, then find the slope and y-intercept. Find the slope and y-intercept. In the first one, here, it's quite clear. M is equal 3 and b is equal 1 because it's equal mx plus b. It's in that form. Okay. Then example B, again, m is equal 3, but b is equal negative 1. Be careful. B is equal to negative 1 because the sign of 1 is negative. So m is equal 3 and b is equal negative 1. For example, C, y is equal negative 3x plus 1. The coefficient of x is negative 3, that's why m is equal negative 3. What about b? b is equal positive 1. Example D, again, y is equal x plus 1. Maybe you ask that, what is the coefficient of x? If there is no number, it means we have 1. So the m, the slope is equal 1, and b is equal 1 as well. What about E? What is the slope? the slope is equal 1 again. Okay, m is equal 1. But how to find b? B is not, let's say, here. Because there is no b, there is no number here to add or subtract it. It means that b is equal 0. The main equation where y is equal x plus 0. Then we didn't write the 0, that's why the equation became y is equal x. What about f? Y is equal 5. Again, the main equation where 0x plus 5. You know that 0 times any number is going to be 0. That's why we didn't write 0x. Then m is equal 0 and b is equal 5. Okay? Then we have some equations. If you check them, none of them are written in the form y is equal mx plus b. Here they are mixed, and let's say that one and the other one, it's not written in the form y is equal mx plus b. So how to do it? In each step we have to make the y alone. Here y has 5, so we have to make it alone, divided by 5, divided by 5. So y is equal 8 over 5x. So right now we can find that m is equal 8 over 5x, okay, and also b, there is no b, it means is equal to 0. Again, in example I, we want to make the y alone, so move 3x to the other side. 7y is equal 9 minus 3x, or you can write y is equal negative 3x plus 9. Both of them are true. You can write both. Then, because y is not alone, has 7 with it, divided by 7, divided by 7, divided by 7. We divide all the terms by 7. Then 7 and 7 goes away. Y is equal 9 over 7 minus, okay, minus 3 over 7x. So the m, be careful, the m is equal negative 3 over 7, and also b is equal 9 over 7. The last example, we have 2x plus 8y is equal 32. Make the y alone, move 2x to the other side. 8y is equal 32 minus 2x. Or you can write 8y is equal negative 2x plus 32. Both of them are correct. So divide both sides by 8, by 8, by 8. 8 and 8 cancels. Y is equal negative 2 over x plus 32 divided by 8, it's going to be 4. Is equal 4. But here we have to simplify 2 and 8. Divided by 2, it's going to be 1 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 4. So the m is equal negative 1 over 4. The b is equal 4. The y-intercept is equal 4. Then there's an example. Sometimes, okay, 2 points given. 2 points is given. We have to write or let's say find the equation in the form y is equal mx plus b. How to do it? So we have 2 ways, 4 and 6, 6 and 10. 4 and 6, 6 and 10. Okay, we have these 2 points. It says find the equation that passes through this line in the y, let's say slope intercept. Y is equal mx plus b. Then how to do it? It's quite easy. Write down y is equal mx plus b. If you look at the equation, what do you want to find? We have to find m, the slope, and also you have to find b, then we'll get the equation. First step, let's find m. How to find m? M is equal x1, y1, x2, y2. y2, 10, minus y1 is 6. x2 is 6, minus x1 is 4. It's going to be 10 minus 6 is 4, divided by 2 is equal 2. So the m is equal 2. We have m is equal 2. Then y is equal 2x plus b. Then we have to find b. How to find b? By replacing one of these 2 points here. We have y and x. You can write 4 and 6. You can write 6 and 10, no difference. But the easiest one is 4 and 6. And instead of x and y, I'm going to write 4 and 6. And instead of x, I write 6. Then instead of y, I'll write 6. Okay. Let's write it. Y, I will write 6 equal 2 times x. And instead of x, I'll write 4. So write down 4 plus b. Okay, 6 is equal 2 times 4 is 8 plus b. It means b is equal, move it to the other side, 8 minus, is equal 6 minus 8 is equal 6 minus 8 is equal negative 2. It means the b is equal negative 2. Then the equation is equal mx. It means 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. If you think this way is difficult, we can use y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 is y1 is, let's say, choose one of the point. Either you choose the first 2 point or the second one, no difference. Let's use the first one. Y minus 6 is equal, m was 2, okay, x minus x1 is 4. Then y minus 6, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. Then y minus 6 is equal 2x minus 8. So move, let's say, the 6 to the other side. Y is equal 2x minus 8 plus 6. Then y is equal 2x minus 2. So you have both way. It's up to you to which ones do you choose. This is about these examples that sometimes we have, let's say, 2 points. Then we have to find the equation in y is equal mx plus b. So finally, we have some nishtimani questions. It says, the first one, what is the y-intercept of that equation? Then you can look at the answers. We have a single number. It means you have to find b. How to find b? Just move negative 4x to the other side. Y is equal 4x plus 8. Okay, y is equal mx plus b. So which one is b? 8. So the y-intercept is 8. It is 8. Question 2, what is the y-intercept of the line? Again, we have this equation. We must write as y is equal mx plus b. How to do it? Move negative, let's say 9x to the other side. 7y is equal negative 9x plus 56. Or you can say 56 minus 9x. Divide both sides by 7, and by 7. So after you divide it, y is equal negative 9 over 7 plus 56 divided by 7 is equal 8 again. So the answer is 8, the y-intercept. Question 3, what is the y-intercept of the line 3x plus 4 is equal 2y? Y-intercept, you can see we have order pair. It means x is equal 0. Make x 0. So it's going to be 3 times 0 plus 4 is equal 2y. 3 times 0 is 0, so we have 2y is equal 4. Divided by 2, y is equal 2. Y is equal 2. And x was 0, so the answer is 0, 2. It is D. Question 4, find the x-intercept. It means y is equal 0, right? Y is equal 0. 2x is equal 12. So divided by 2, x is equal 6. So 6 and 0, it is B. Question 5, what is the slope of the linear equation 2x plus y? We have to find the slope, but we cannot find it directly. Write the equation in y mx plus b. How to do it? Move 2x to the other side, then y is equal negative 2x minus 12. Or you can say y is equal negative 12 minus 2x. It is the same. What is the coefficient of x? It is negative 2. So the answer is, the slope of the line is negative 2. In the last question we have, what is the slope of the linear equation y minus 4x is equal 8? Again, move it to the other side. Y is equal 4x plus 8. Then the slope is 4. That's why C is the correct answer. So this is the end of that section. I hope you get benefit from me. Thank you so much.